Hi friends, good morning. Myself AG sir from Samved School. Today we are facing great problem of coronavirus and our respected Prime Minister Modi ji advised us to follow the lockdown rule, stay home, safe home. So we have started the chapter aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, and today we are going to discuss about the physical property of aldehyde and ketone. So today's topic is physical property of properties of aldehyde and ketones. Today's date is 18th April 2020. So as we know that aldehyde and ketone possess carbonyl group, and we already discussed that in carbonyl group carbon and oxygen having polar bond, because electronegativity difference between carbon and oxygen's electronegativity is higher than carbon, so carbon will become partial positive and oxygen will become partial negative, so it is polar bond. When two molecules of carbonyl group opposite side attach with each other, then there will be dipole-dipole interaction force possible, and it is weak dipole interaction force, and there is some bond will become strong. Suppose we are having carbonyl group, this is the carbonyl group, again this is the carbonyl group, again this is the carbonyl group, and opposite end of two carbonyl group means oxygen will attach to carbon, this is partial positive, this is partial negative, same way this is partial positive, this is partial negative, this is partial positive, this is partial negative. So two ends are opposite of two different carbonyl group, so there is dipole-dipole interaction force is possible in two different carbonyl group. Due to this dipole-dipole interaction force, some boiling point of carbonyl containing aldehyde and ketone is higher than non-polar compound alkane and weak polar compound ether. Let's discuss why it is higher than non-polar compound alkane and weak polar compound ether. Because in alkane and ether, in alkane there is not any attraction force like a carbonyl group containing aldehyde and ketone, and ether having the weak polar bond, so it will be possible that the higher polar bond containing aldehyde and ketone must have strong attraction, and so that boiling point will be high. Same way, approximate the same molecular mass containing alcohol and carboxylic acid will have higher boiling point than the aldehyde and ketone, because in aldehyde and ketone having not hydrogen bond, while in carboxylic acid and alcohol having the hydrogen bond, and hydrogen bond is the higher or stronger than polar attraction force. So we can conclude this topic by discussion that non-polar compound alkane and weak polar compound ether having the less boiling point than aldehyde and ketone. Same way, hydrogen bond containing alcohol and carboxylic acid having the higher boiling point than aldehyde and ketone. There is one condition that molecular mass should be same or approximately same, then it is possible. So we will take an example and we will prove that the higher boiling point is due to the attraction force of hydrogen bond and attraction force of the polar attraction force in aldehyde and ketone, then alkane and weak polar bond containing ether. So we are having alkane. Alkane is the weakest one, then higher weak polar compound ether, then higher it is ketone, then higher it is aldehyde, then higher it is alcohol, and then higher it is carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid having the highest boiling point and alkane having the weak or lessest boiling point, we will have the molecular mass should be approximately same. For that we are taking one proper example of each functional group. Suppose alkane, then it is N-butane. Then we are having ether, then it is methoxyethane. Then we are having ketone. So we are going to increasing order. So we will write down first aldehyde. So ketone will be higher than aldehyde. So we are writing over here aldehyde first, then ketone. We will discuss why ketone having the more boiling point than the aldehyde. Then we are having ketone. Then we are having, aldehyde means it is 3 carbon containing aldehyde. Then it is propanol. Then it is propan 1 on or propan 2 on. Then we are having alcohol, then propan 1 al, propan 1 ol. And then we are having carboxylic acid, then it is ethanoic acid. These all examples are having approximately same molecular mass. So here there are 4 carbon. An example of methoxyethane, there are 3 carbon. But in methoxyethane there is 1 oxygen present, so the molecular mass will be high. So here are the 4 carbon example and here is the 3 carbon example. And same way propanol, then propan 2,1, then propan 1 ol, again ethanoic acid having 2 carbon, because in ethanoic acid there will be 2 oxygen. So when we calculate the molecular mass, it will be approximately same. So these are the compound. So these are the compound. Then we are having molecular mass. Molecular mass, gram into mole inverse. And then we are having Kelvin, means we are having boiling point in Kelvin. So now we are discussing the all molecular mass, and then we will having the different boiling point and it will be in increasing order. So butane's molecular mass is 58, then it is 60, then 2 times 58, 58, and then 2 times 60, 60. This is the order of the molecular mass of all given compound. It is not the sequence that you have to write down in this sequence, but when we calculate the molecular mass of butane, it will be 58, and molecular mass of methoxyethane, it will be 60. Then we calculate the propanol 58, then propan 2,1 58, then propan 1 all 60, and then ethanoic acid will be 60. So you can easily remember if you have the proper sequence of this example 58, 60, 58 2 times and 60 2 times. Very simply. Not need to calculate all compounds molecular mass. Now we are having the boiling point. Boiling point of this all compound, boiling point of N-butane is 273 Kelvin. Then boiling point of methoxyethane, it is 281 Kelvin. Then boiling point of propanol, it is 322 Kelvin. Boiling point of propane to 1, it is 329 Kelvin. Boiling point propane 1 all, it is 370 Kelvin. And boiling point of ethanoic acid, it is 391 Kelvin. So this all value you have to remember. There is no any method to remember this value, but you must remember this all value. Now one point we are going to discuss. You can see that this is the aldehyde and this is the ketone. So aldehyde having the boiling point is 322 Kelvin and ketone having the boiling point is 329 Kelvin. So why there is the difference between aldehyde and ketone? Because in aldehyde I am writing over here, in aldehyde, suppose we are having the example of any aldehyde, here is the H and here is the CH3, then it is ethanol, right? It is R. And we are writing the example of propane to on, here is R means it is CH3 and here is R means it is CH3, this is propane to on. We can see that in aldehyde there is one alkyl group attached and in ketone there are two alkyl group attached with the carbon. So in ketone there are more alkyl group present. Alkyl group is the electron donating group, so polarity will increase. Here is the only one electron donating group and here are two electron donating group, so we can say that the polarity will increase, and if polarity will increase then bond will become strong, and if bond will become strong then boiling point will become high. So aldehyde having 322 Kelvin and ketone having 329 Kelvin, it is due to the presence of two alkyl group in ketone and one alkyl group in aldehyde. So it is the main difference why the boiling point having the difference in aldehyde and ketone. So we have studied very most important and very simple topic. I am revising this lecture in very short, that we are going to discuss about the boiling point of aldehyde and ketone, boiling point of alkane, boiling point of ether and alcohol and carboxylic acid. So approximate same molecular mass having the why difference of boiling point and why it is in increasing order. We are having the non-polar compound alkane means butane and weak polar compound methoxyethane, and we are having the polar compound propanol and propane to on. The boiling point of propanol and propane to all is higher than non-polar compound alkane and weak polar compound ether. Same way, the boiling point of aldehyde and ketone having the weak boiling point than alcohol and carboxylic acid, because in alcohol and carboxylic acid there is H bond present and here H bond is not present in aldehyde and ketone, and H bond is stronger than the polar bond. So we are having this boiling point difference. You must remember all the value in JEE NEET. Any value of any compound may be asked, you have to remember. So this lecture we are concluding, and thank you very much. Stay home, safe home, and see you soon. Thank you very much.